If you've seen more than 2 consecutive videos on my channel, then you already know I invest a good amount of time and money into new skincare products, particularly those that will help with the occasional cystic breakouts that come from deep under my skin. I see you back there. Don't even come up to my doorstep. Unfortunately, these breakouts often last kind of a long time and even leave discoloration, and I've tried everything to get rid of them, except something new that Instagram recently advertised to me, which promises to use the latest in dermatological science. Yeah, I thought I tried everything, but I didn't try little tiny micro darts penetrating my skin to deliver some sort of magic. Perhaps you've seen something from Zitsticka advertised in your social media feeds as well. Well, tonight we're gonna jab these into my skin. If you're curious about the Zitsticka Killer Kit, then please stay tuned for another installment of Trying Instagram Products. Okay, I think I got a good before picture, but I'm a little nervous because I did a before and after picture on a previous video that apparently does not meet the standard of excellence that everybody wants, because I get read in the comments. They're like, this is not an accurate before and after. All because I photoshopped out this birthmark in the after picture. I'm sorry. It looked particularly hairy. I thought I could get rid of it without anyone making a big deal. I should have known better. Let's open the cleaner sticker because I'm ready to swab this guy off. Oops, oh crap. I just tore open 2 of them at the same time. That'll happen when you don't know what you're doing, when you're not paying attention. These patches smell much better than just like a standard alcohol wipe, which is obviously just harsh alcohol. This one has tea tree and it has salicylic acid, so it smells a little more spa-like than that. Can you see me wiping it? Oof! Ah! A little tingle, like the alcohol and the tea tree oil is really working. Now let's unbox one of these patches. I wonder what they're gonna look like inside. Ooh, so future. Doesn't that make you feel like it's the future? And look, you can totally see the little darts on there. It's like a little hard to get a shot of it. It's like small, clear substance that comes to a point. I wonder how you open it. Ooh, I don't know how to peel the backing off. Okay, it's like a small patch. I'm scared because I don't want to mess it up. How do you undo it? Okay, look, kind of like a contact lens, but do you see the little babies? Ooh, micro needles, micro darts. They definitely don't call them needles. I don't think they would want me to refer to them as needles. Let me see if I can use this mirror to try to get this on the right way. Okay, who can see that, everyone? Here we go. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My pores look huge. 10. Wow, that actually is surprisingly discreet, right? It blends in with the skin really seamlessly. I was not expecting that. What do you think? Like from back here, you can't even see that I have a sticker on my face. Also, I didn't feel those micro darts one tiny bit. I don't know if I feel a tingling sensation right now either, but I will say that it just completely disappeared into the skin. Like, you can't see it. Right? It doesn't look like I have a sticker on. Am I joking? Hashtag public patching would totally work. Well, I guess I've done what I need to do for this part of the test, and apparently it will work overnight. So tomorrow morning we can take a look and see if it's actually reduced in size and color. Hopefully this will put this pimple to bed before it even gets to become a thing. Because I had all my other skincare done, my face just looks so shiny right now that it's driving me crazy. I hope you guys don't think that I have a shiny face. I hope you guys don't think that my skin has any sort of light reflecting properties. That would really make me feel self-conscious. My skin absorbs all light. It is like an obsidian night sky. And if you don't believe me, we're gonna have some problems. Sweet dreams. All right, guys, don't go too far because I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning so we can peel this Zitsticka off and see if it did its duties. Good night. Quick update, guys. I have had it on for maybe 2 hours now, and I really can feel a satisfying tingle is a good word for it, I guess, although it's not really like a tingling sensation. It's sort of just like awareness of the surface of my skin, where I really feel like something's happening in the layers of my skin. It's kind of promising. Anyway, good night. Rise and shine time, everybody. I hope you had an amazing night of sleep. Actually, you probably didn't go to sleep because it's been 2 seconds for you. I had a great great night's sleep. That's what really matters. And look at this. My Zitsticka patch stayed on very well the whole entire night. No problems there. The other pimple patches that I've used that were, you know, seemed like kind of lower quality from Amazon, they did not ever stick to my face the whole night. The oils from my face would instantly make them slide off. So I'm actually really impressed that this one held on through the entire evening. These definitely did seem to have a better adhesive than the other patches that I've used in the past, so I guess it makes sense. But I am glad that they have adhesive that's going to keep it on your face all night, because otherwise what's the point of getting these patches? Did I ever mention how much I paid for this kit, by the way? Let me look. 29 bucks for this kit. Not too bad for 8 treatment. If it really works, that is. Let's get this patch off and see what our breakout looks like after 8 hours of microdart healing. I always have the worst dry mouth in the morning. Do you get that? Alright. Want to see something petty? Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the light.
Okay.
I just love bossing her around all day, because I am in charge. She's my electric slave. That I haven't taught her to do anything useful yet, but there's that. Alright, are you guys ready to remove the patch? Let me get it off. And the reveal. Whoa, I'm so intrigued. So here's what the breakout looks like. It looks like all of the medication or those ingredients sort of dissolve and they're just under the patch here. Like there's like a liquid under the patch here that was held against my skin sort of by that border of adhesive. So it kind of seems like the patch held on that medication close to the skin all night. It's like a gel consistency. Let me get a Kleenex. Oh my goodness though. As for the breakout itself, I don't think I'm crazy when I say this feels a lot less threatening than it did yesterday. It's definitely less red, and when I touch it, I can feel that it's come to a head a little bit more, and it's gonna be much closer to healing than it was yesterday. Cause normally the next day when I look at myself straight on in the mirror, I can already see a bump forming on the side of my face, and that's what I hate most about these temple ones, but it's really flat right now, and it wouldn't have been otherwise. Let me take the after picture so we can really compare. Wow, yeah, so looking at the before and after picture, I can really tell that this is smaller and flatter and less red than it was before. And it kind of goes to what I've already known about pimples, which is like if you're putting some sort of drying treatment on them, it really is gonna work better if you can find a way to keep it in place all night. In the past, I've used something like this, the Mario Badescu drying lotion, which has been very popular for many years. This is another spot treatment where you put that pink stuff on your pimple and then just let it dry overnight. But for me, it always crumbles off and falls away, and I'm like, okay, well now it's more on my pillow than anything else. But with this patch, I mean, it stayed secured all night. Whatever these ingredients are is in like a gel formula. You can see it's like a sticky gel material, and that really helps me feel like the treatment is staying where it needs to be all night, and I think that goes a long way towards helping reduce the size of the pimple. So far, the first test for the Zitsticka Killer Kit is very promising. I mean, I would definitely try this on another emerging pimple to see if I get the same results again. What I love above all else for the Zitsticka is that it gives me some sort of sense of control. I really hate that helpless feeling when you think, oh, I'm getting a pimple, and you don't know how long it's gonna last or how big it's going to get. This is something I can use right at that moment, at the first night, so I don't have to worry about how big and stressful it's going to get. I can think, well, at least I can be proactive and get something on my skin that I know will help keep it like a smaller breakout than it would be otherwise. Overall, I'm really impressed with how that reduced the size and color of the pimple. I think the packaging is really nice. It has all of these slots for each of your packs, so it stays in place. I think you can also buy bigger packages of this. This is just the starter kit. And I believe this microdart technology is something that you're gonna see a lot more of. My friend told me that there's a whole face mask with these types of microdarts, which is such an interesting notion because when I looked at those things, they looked like gelatin darts. They didn't actually seem like they were going to pierce the skin. So I'm curious what the science is behind that, if it actually is doing anything to get under the surface of your skin, or if it's just, you know, a shape. What do you guys think of this before and after picture? Do you see a difference? I definitely feel like the breakout is less active now than it was yesterday. I can't say for sure if this would be like a miracle treatment that will work for everybody, and I definitely don't know that you could put this on a pimple and know for sure that it would be completely erased overnight. I wish that something like that existed, and hey, maybe for some people this is what will happen. In my experience with the product, I can definitely tell that it helped dry things out and keep the pimple under control, and it it will probably help this last less long than if I had left it untreated. So for me, that's exactly what I was looking for. I really wasn't expecting anything other than that. And therefore, the Zitsticka Kit really delivered on its promise. This probably wouldn't be the solution for somebody who has larger areas of breakouts or active acne, because there's only 8 patches within the box, so you'll run through this really quick if you have a lot of active breakouts. Thankfully for me, I'm pretty under control lately, so it's just the 1 or 2 errant cysts. And therefore, this is a really helpful solution, along with some of the other spot treatments that I've reviewed on this channel before, just to kind of keep things in the rotation so I always know just what to use depending on the type of breakout or the situation that I'm in. Always a good thing to have more tools in my skincare arsenal. What do you guys think of the Zitsticka Kit? Would you try this out to keep your breakouts under control? Let me know in the comments below. Also, have you tried anything with micro darts like this? I would love to know your opinions on that type of technology. But most importantly, give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see even more videos of trying Instagram products, particularly with skincare. Let me know if you see something online that you want me to try. But most importantly, if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you click that subscribe button right over here. That way you never miss new videos from me. I upload 2 new ones every week, so join the NICD crew. That way you never miss the new fun stuff. You guys are all the greatest. Thank you for killing some zits with me today. I will see you next time.